CriticalAsset is the quickest, cleanest, and only solution for updating electrical panel schedules in real time in the field. To easily update electrical panel schedules on your phone, use the magnifying glass at the top of your screen to search for the asset being updated. Today we are working with panel 1CL3. Tap the arrow parallel to panel to open the existing panel schedule. Tap the breaker to open the panel or the breaker edit box. Give the breaker a name, a type, and an amp measurement. Press done and then save. Your panel is now updated in the CriticalAsset system. You can now print your new panel schedule or a QR code that can be scanned using your phone's camera.